And well, the latest coming in from the Kumbh 2025 is that at least 30 pilgrims were killed and over 60 injured in a stampede at the Sangam area of the Mahakumbh, as large number of pilgrims jostled for space to take a holy dip on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya. PM Modi and UP CM Yogi Adityanath expressed grief over the incident. However, an official figure on the number of casualties has not been released by the UP government. Meanwhile, Amrit Snan, the traditional bathing ritual of akhadas that was deferred due to the stampede, resumed around 2:30 p.m. The Amrit Snan was originally scheduled in the early hours of the day but was postponed following the stampede.
महाकुंभ प्रयागराज में मौनी अमावस्या का मुख्य स्नान पर्व था 29 जनवरी 2025 को। इसमें ब्रह्म मुहूर्त से पूर्व प्रातः 1 बजे से 2 बजे के मध्य बेला क्षेत्र में अखाड़ा मार्ग पर भारी भीड़ का दबाव बना और इस भीड़ के दबाव के कारण दूसरी ओर के बैरिकेड्स टूट गए और भीड़ के लोग बैरिकेड्स बांधकर दूसरी तरफ ब्रह्म मुहूर्त के स्नान का इंतजार कर रहे श्रद्धालुओं को कुचलना शुरू कर दिया। यद्यपि प्रशासन ने तत्काल राहत और बचाव कार्य करते हुए ग्रीन कॉरिडोर बनाया और एम्बुलेंस के माध्यम से लगभग 90 घायलों को अस्पताल तक पहुंचाया, परंतु इसमें से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण तरीके से 30 श्रद्धालुओं की दुखद मृत्यु हो गई है। 30 इनमें से 25 की पहचान हो चुकी है और शेष की शिनाख्त की जानी बाकी है। कुछ लोग बाहर के प्रदेशों के भी इनमें से हैं, जैसे कर्नाटक के 4 लोग हैं, असम से 1 है, गुजरात से 1 है। कुछ घायलों को परिवार के सदस्य को लेकर चले गए हैं तथा 36 घायलों का इलाज स्थानीय मेडिकल कॉलेज में चल रहा है।
And well, moving on then, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke at a rally in Delhi and condoled the tragic stampede at the Mahakumbh. Let's listen to what PM had to say about the incident.
महाकुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है, उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और घायलों के जल्द स्वस्थ होने की कामना करता हूं। मैं यूपी सरकार के साथ निरंतर संपर्क में हूं। मौनी अमावस्या की वजह से करोड़ों श्रद्धालु आज वहां पहुंचे हुए हैं। कुछ समय के लिए स्नान की प्रक्रिया में रुकावटें आई थी, लेकिन अब कई घंटों से सुचारू रूप से यात्री स्नान कर रहे हैं। मैं फिर एक बार उन परिवारजनों के प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं।
Rather tragic incident on the auspicious day of Mauni Amavasya, when all the pilgrims had gathered to take the dip, before pre-Brahma Muhurat, but that was deferred, of course, on the back of the 30 deaths that were reported as a result of the stampede. But joining us now live on phone line is Akanksha, who's joining us from Prayagraj with the details of the situation. Over to you, Akanksha.
Well, the tragedy unfolded in the early hours of morning Amavasya. This in fact was the most significant bathing day. There were millions and millions of devotees that had gathered at Ghats, and what the police has now said that unfortunately 30 people have lost their life. As many as 90 people were taken to the hospital. Now, as far as those who are dead are concerned, there are 4 from Karnataka, 1 each from Assam as well as Gujarat. Now, as far as the reason for this stampede is concerned, a DIG of Mela Authority, he has said that it occurred due to the collapse of a barricade. Devotees who were sleeping near the Sangam Ghat and they were waiting for Brahm Muhurat were trampled as the crowd surged forward. This is the reason that has been given by the police as the reason for stampede is concerned. But unfortunate news coming in, 30 people have lost their life, 90 were taken to the hospital, and what we are learning is many of them have been discharged, but still there are many who are still receiving the treatment in the central hospital that is in Mahakumbh Mela.